we're here today. We're in Buckingham, Virginia. It's a pretty good spot. We checked it out. We walked around through here, and there's a few hornets and stuff. So I believe there'll be a deer in here, but I don't know. It might be. I don't know. There wasn't no really big scrapes, but we might get a nice buck today. But yeah, I'd take a doe, anything that comes in. There's a path coming through here. There's hornet up there on that ridge behind us, and down there beside the creek there's some paths and some tracks. So one may be come through here, and there's a thicket right there, a big old pine thicket. One may come out of there, I don't know. But let's see if we can get one.
Got him, buddy. Got him, buddy. Smoked him.
He was coming walking right through there. I said, oh crap, there's a deer.
God, he hit. I don't know if I was on him. I couldn't find him in the dang on.
I turned around and I knew you didn't see me. I said, don't say anything. He won't move. Because I was afraid you was going to move and he's going to look right up here at me.
I seen you cock it. I seen him. About the time when you raised the gun up, I seen him.
I told you.
Yes, buddy. Yes.
It's like a little 6 point, like his 6
Yeah.
point too.
Awesome. Yes.
Oh, thank you, Lord.
Thank you, God. I've been sitting here all morning saying, please, God, please give him a deer.
I know, and that sucker just come up right there and stuff. I said, you one more step and you're dead. And he stopped right there and I'm dead open. I said, oh, bad choice. Boom. Smoked him.
I knew it, man. I knew it.
And then at first, I was like, did I hit him? Because the way he was
I
running.
know it. I kept saying, oh, please don't miss that thing.
And then he started.
I was hoping you'd let him walk right under us.
I wanted to shoot him just in case he looked up here and seen us. I said, I got it.
When I seen you cock that hammer, I was like, oh, crap. I said, here we go, boys.
Yeah, and he stopped right there in that opening right here. Like, it's open right there, and he stopped right in it.
God, yeah.
I was trying to hold myself. I said, you better wait. He'll come closer. You just wait. And guess what he did? He stopped right there, and I said, oh, bad choice.
I hope I was on him. I was trying to find him, but I couldn't.
He was going to come right through here, but I didn't.
Yeah, he was going to walk right under.
I just didn't take the chance.
We blocked his path with all these trees.
Yeah.
Be quiet, he might be another.
I know, that's why I'm reloading.
Yeah, get that thing like.
Man, that's awesome. Thank you, Lord. Well, we just got down and we're going to walk up through here and get him. We watched him fall and everything, so let's go get him. Blood,
Yep.
We cut a big old curve around it. Let's walk all the way up there. Just straight up there probably would be better.
Yeah.
did come out back where I thought it did.
Yeah.
He must have been pulling away more than that. Yeah, it came out a little bit farther back than I thought there.
Yeah, that's alright.
Let's see. Let me get my gun. Oh crap. His tarsal glands are black. And you ain't ever heard of a black gland like that. It's black. Look at that. Look how black it is.
Yeah, he's been
You know that stinks. We thought we heard him running a day or something like that.
hold his head up.
Flies are already on. That tells you how hot it is down there. Oh, it's a 4.
Oh,
That's a nice 4-pointer.
that's a pretty.
Oh, pretty big for a 4-pointer.
Yes.
Huh. That is a nice 4-pointer though. I could have swore he had brow tines, but he's growing them in here. I'm guessing. Pickle a 100, I can tell you that. It's a nice deer. Take it any day.
Yeah.
It's not an old one, but I don't really care. But if you ever heard of tarsal gland, look at that sucker right there. He's been rutting. But whew, that's a nice 4-pointer. Thank you, Lord, is all I gotta say. Right there he is. We could hear him up on the ridge, probably running a doe. And when he come in, it acted like he may have lost her. And because whenever I shot him, he put his nose to the ground, so he was probably trying to sniff her out, probably, but trying to find her again. But all I gotta say is thank you, Lord, because I mean it's only the second day we've hunted, and there you go. There's a big old 4-pointer. So thank you, Lord, is all I gotta say. See you next time.
Good shot.